Day 3 of creating a SaaS product until I get a job. I'm creating a web inventory app. So yesterday what I did was set up the backend. So for example, this server. I didn't create the client but the server. I was working with the server folder. So basically what I did was components. This is a client, sorry. Server. So Prisma and GraphQL. I set up the resolvers too. So everything works. So basically scaling up from here is quite easy. So I'll most probably not have any other like problem with the backend until I get to authentication, whereby when someone requests data or updates data, deletes data, he will have to use a token. For example, it's authentication, so you'll have to send a token. The token will have to be checked in the server. Then if it's correct, sure. If the action proceeds. If not, the action is refused. So I've not done that yet. I've seen a file, not a file. I've seen a website which has implemented that, the same exact thing, whereby like you have to authenticate if an action is going to be taken. I've seen it, but I've not done it. I've seen the front end part of it, whereby you are sending, but not the back end. So when I create it, it may give me like a problem or two. But other than that, this is set up. So it's just about going to the front end because the queries are already done. Just setting up the queries. So the queries, I was doing the queries here. So for example, this is one of the queries. So I'm querying the products. I get these. Then the cost, I get these. So product is a foreign key. So these matches this one. So yeah. So when I run, this is just one product. So this is a sample data. So that one may not make very much sense. For example, like description, product description. Yeah. So it's done. So from there on, it's just implement the correct things. I'm done. Thank you.